In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create watercolor portrait from a photo in Canva. We'll turn a regular photo into a painterly portrait using a ready template, an app inside Canva, and a few quick edits. I'll keep it simple, clear, and perfect for beginners. By the end, you'll have a soft, artistic look you can share or print. First, open a template in Canva. Templates set the size and give you a clean starting point. Square for social, portrait for prints, or anything you need. With the design open, go to the left sidebar and click Uploads. Upload the photo you want to transform. Well-lit portraits with clear features and minimal clutter work best. When it finishes uploading, insert the image onto the page by dragging it in or clicking to add. Place it roughly where you want it. Precise sizing comes later. A simple background makes the watercolor effect cleaner and helps the subject stand out. Next, click Apps on the left. In the search box, type Artvatar, then open the app. This tool generates stylized artwork from your photo, and it's excellent for watercolor. With your image selected in the canvas, click Generate inside Artvatar. It may take a moment to process. When the preview is ready, choose Replace Image to swap your original on the page with the generated watercolor version. If the result looks too sharp or not quite right, run. Generate again. Different passes can give softer edges and more natural brush textures. Keep the subject centered and visible. Cropped faces can confuse the effect. If you're working with a low-resolution photo, smaller canvas sizes often produce cleaner, less noisy results. Now polish the layout. Use the corner handles to resize so proportions stay correct and align the eyes along a pleasing horizontal guide. Hold Shift while dragging only if you need to scale from center. Otherwise, just pull the corners. For finishing touches, click Edit on the top toolbar. Here you can adjust filters and basic settings. A slight lift in brightness can bring out paper-white highlights, while easing contrast softens hard transitions. Dial back saturation if colors feel too intense, or warm the temperature for a classic watercolor vibe. If the background competes with the face, add a touch of blur to push it back. Make subtle moves and preview often. The charm of watercolor is its gentle, flowing look. That's it. You've created a watercolor portrait from a photo, all inside Canva.